Minister of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, Frank Tumwebaze, has cautioned district veterinary officers against imposing illegal charges for vaccination to farmers. Tumwebaze made the remarks while handing over vaccines of foot and mouth disease destined to the cattle corridor, saying the business of charging poor farmers vaccines that are already paid for by government must stop.
Government is investing whatever it can to ensure that your crops, to ensure that your animals, and to ensure that your fish resources are safe. All we need and ask you as farmers is compliance and discipline. Why do we vaccinate against FMD? First of all, we are lucky that we can vaccinate against it. There are some diseases which are not vaccinatable. This one is. And we are now aggressively kicking out FMD in Uganda.
The minister said the foot and mouth disease vaccine will give livestock farmers strong foundations that will enable them compete favorably in the regional and international market.
I'd like to send a message and appeal to our trading partners that we are eradicating FMD in our country through periodic and regular vaccination. And soon we shall be rolling out even a much bigger program of making vaccination mandatory. As long as we sort the budgets and the lines of vaccines, one may ask, why is government the ones involved in giving these vaccines? Why are we not liberalizing the sector? We've been refusing to do that because biological substances are not an easy good to allow anybody to trade in.
The district veterinary officer, Mpigi District, Dr. Daniel Kasibule, appreciated government for the timely interventions geared towards launching Uganda to the external market.
Honorable Minister, we are hereby assuring you that as the veterinarians, we are going to supply this vaccine in a timely fashion, convenient fashion, whereby farmers will get covered. All the animals will be covered timely to ensure that this disease disappears from our flock.
We have a lot of market and people asking for market in the Middle East for our livestock, especially the small ruminants. We are already taking meat to other countries like Oman. So we need to work together as a team. The veterinary profession, if you have not worked before, work hard now, because our contribution to the GDP must increase.
Veterinary officers were implored to do the work well to boost Uganda's access to lucrative dairy markets and eventually kick out foot and mouth disease from Uganda. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.